Alright, I didn't notice my camera had stopped recording, or I didn't hit the record button, but let's see if we can demonstrate this. Oh, come on. Alright, this ignition module is really hot, and I don't know if this plug is bad and has a break in the electrode. Yeah. It's running a bit, and then it's, oh yeah, it's arcing all over outside there. So I'm gonna have to clean that, check it, figure it out, but clearly this ignition module is hot and that plug isn't working the best it should, so that is the new reason why I'm having issues with this. But hopefully when my parts arrive I'll have a new plug and everything. So but yeah, that is an inside problem for the R18, so I guess I'll work on taking care of that later when I go in.